exciting day here, and I will show you why. I have a package from Dieselogic, and it looks very well put together so far. And I've got a set of LB7 fuel injectors and the deluxe Super Duper install kit. They are very well packaged injectors, and I have a brand new set of fuel lines to go with them from the common rails, along with a set of glow plugs that I probably don't actually need, but it seemed like this kit was cheaper with the plugs than buying things separate. And there's also a new set of cups and O-rings and lower valve cover gaskets and return fuel line gasket set all in one. And that should be it. This is not a sponsored video by Dieselogic with 1L, but I am pretty impressed with their customer service. I'm impressed with their shipping and their packaging and their speed. I ordered this on Monday, maybe Tuesday actually. It's Thursday. Shipped from Florida to Michigan, and they told me it'd probably be about a 3-day ship time to get from order to shipping. So they're already a day ahead and it's here. That's pretty amazing. Thank you guys.